Okay, maybe the people will be angry again on me, but I was yesterday on Chiefs. Chiefs didn't play a good game. I'm sorry.
They created so many chances.
Yeah, so many. So many?
In the first half, I think they created 11 chances.
Yeah, but what is a chance? A shot on goal is a chance?
They need to convert, coach.
Yeah. Okay, maybe I'm different in evaluating games than you are.
Of course you are.
Are you the head coach of the national team?
But I can say that I saw a good game yesterday.
Yeah.
And even it was against a team who was not so Amazulu. It's not, but okay. So I want to see more games that there's fighting, that is difficult. Okay, the top team can win, sometimes lose against one of these teams, and that makes it better. That makes it better. So I think we are on the good way, in the right direction now. You don't see, for the moment, you don't see the dominance anymore of Sundowns. Yeah. What in the last year it was, already now you could say Sundowns will be champions again. Yeah, now you can't tell it. You see that Pirates is very good now. They play very good. They have also a pool of players they can change. And on the pitch,
Kukune is upsetting
there's
the
nothing
apple cart,
changing much things. So those things are good. And also the fact that, one day our players have to leave this country. Really. Really. They
Who, coach?
Yeah.
Who needs to leave?
They have to go to competitions who are on a higher level than this competition here. And Europe? It will help. So it will help also the South African football. Yeah. It will help. You will see.
Do you think we've got enough players playing in the PSL that should be in Europe?
There are. There are, yes.
Give me some.
Oh, give me that. It's not up to me to tell this one or this one has to go to. But if you want an example, if you see the quality and the talent of Mbokazi.
Yeah, you've said it a lot.
I'm very sorry, and sorry to Pirates, but this guy has to go away next year. Yeah. I'm very sorry. And he will become better when he goes to a good competition in a good club.
Higher level, yeah.
A higher level, yeah. When he stays here, it will become too easy for him because he's too good. So he needs another motivation, another challenge, and that makes him again better. And there are other players who can make the step also.